Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to unmute an account on Twitter. Firstly, when you find out the account that you want to unmute it, simply need to tap on the three dots on your right upper side, and then on the seventh place you have unmute section. Just click on that one, and as you can see you have unmuted this person. Now if you tap again for mute and you want to simply unmute it, but you cannot find that section to get up to the account, simply need to tap on your profile icon right here, go for settings and privacy, and right after that you're gonna find out all these different options in which you go privacy and safety. And here on the fourth selection you have mute and block. Go on that selection and go for mute accounts. Now here, as you can see, you can find out the accounts that you have muted, and simply go tap on that button side on the first selection, and as you can see you have unmuted this account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.